Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We all have been to different salons and trial rooms at the mall. I just love the fact that there are so many mirrors there and I can see so many images of me. This is mainly due to the fact that there are multiple mirrors which form multiple images. So let's see how mirrors form multiple images in this video. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Reflection of Light Activity Kit. You will need 2 square mirrors, 2 rectangular mirrors, foam base, foam protractor, Buddha figurine, bead and sellotape from the kit. You will also need a pair of scissors from your home. Take the square mirrors and peel off the protective layers carefully. Can you observe that the mirrors are of the same size? Now, insert one of the square mirrors into one slit in such a way that the reflecting surface faces towards the middle of the foam base. Now, place the little Buddha figurine at the middle of the foam base, like this. Can you see that the plain mirror forms an image of the little Buddha? Now, insert the other square mirror into the remaining slit of the foam base, such that the reflecting surface faces the little Buddha. Can you count how many images are formed in both the mirrors? Since the mirrors are placed parallel to each other, we can see infinite images of the Buddha figurine in both the mirrors. Let's keep this aside and now let's observe the 2 rectangular mirrors. Place these mirrors on a flat surface such that the reflecting surface is facing upwards. Can you see that these mirrors are of different sizes? Align the longer sides of both the mirrors with each other, like this. Now, use the sellotape and stick both of them together. We have to stick the sellotape on the reflective sides of the mirrors. Now, insert this edge of the bigger mirror in the slit in the foam protector in such a way that the reflecting surface is facing towards the marked angles on the protector, like this. The other mirror is now movable, like this. Now, place the bead on the foam protector, like this. How many images of the bead do you observe? For example, if the angle is 90 degrees, the number of images formed are 3, which we can also see here. Now, start changing the angle between the mirrors by moving the smaller mirror like a door. The sellotape works like a hinge in this setup. Change the angle and observe the number of images in each case. This can also be verified by this formula. Number of images is equal to 360 degrees divided by the angle between the mirrors minus 1. Whenever an object is placed between 2 parallel mirrors facing each other, the image of the object is formed in both the mirrors. Also, the image formed in the first mirror acts as an object for the second mirror, and the image formed in the second mirror also acts as an object for the first mirror. In this way, multiple images are formed. Whenever any two plane mirrors are placed at an angle with each other, the number of images formed depends on the angle between the mirrors. Whenever any two plane mirrors are placed at an angle with each other, multiple images are formed. The number of images formed can be found out by the formula 360 degree divided by the angle between the mirrors minus 1. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.